welcome back to another vlog. I was meant to start the vlog at some point yesterday, but I ended up just filming a montage of my whole day. But as you would have seen, I started my week off right. It was a Monday. I woke up and I went and watched the sunrise at the Gold Coast, and I just spent the whole day by myself. I went for a walk, I went and got an acai bowl, I edited in a cafe, I went for an ocean swim. It was just incredible. I literally had the best day. I low-key want to like start doing that every Monday, but I don't know if that's like attainable. Anyway, that's what I did yesterday. Ended up going to bed just after 8 p.m. because I was so tired because I woke up at 3 a.m. and that's pretty much all you've missed. So today is Tuesday. It is almost 7:30 and I'm about to drink my pre-workout and head off to a PT session. Leg day, kind of dreading it but kind of excited. And then I literally have so much to get done today and there's so much going on. I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed. I kind of just spent my whole walk on my phone planning things for me to get done today because I genuinely feel like I'm gonna run out of time. Normally I try to get off my phone while I'm on my walk and just like enjoy whatever music I'm listening to or podcast I'm listening to. Literally you can hear my phone going off every 2 seconds. I'm so overwhelmed. When I get home from my PT session, I'm going to shower and then I'm FaceTiming my friend Amy. After that, I need to film a clip for a vlog and then send that vlog away for approval, which that sounds like a little task, but it is a big task. I feel like it's going to take me a little while. And then I think I have a package coming in the mail today, which I get to open in this vlog, and I am so excited. And then I am doing a boxing class tonight at 6, and then I have a business call at 7. That again is just so wild. For now, I'm gonna drink my pre-workout. I'm gonna reply to a couple of messages. I'm gonna do that for 5 minutes before I go to the gym. Who's that 10?
You said 10.
So we're going down in 5. It has been a quick minute since I spoke to you last. I'm just grabbing a bunch of things and I'm heading downstairs because I need to run a couple of errands. When I say errands, I mean go to my parents' house, pick up a package I got delivered there, and go grocery shopping and then come home. I just got back from grocery shopping and picking up my package, and I quickly wanted to open this package and thank Lorna Jane for gifting me these things. I'm literally geeking out right now. Are you kidding me? Sorry, I can't. Are you kidding me? I've literally been wearing Lorna Jane since I was like 17. I'm gonna have the names of everything that I show you in this little haul down in the description box, along with a link direct to the Lorna Jane website. And you can also use my discount code, which is Georgia20, and that will save you 20% off your order on Lorna Jane. Are you kidding me? This is not real. Okay, first thing I pulled out of this bag is this white ribbed singlet. This is actually really thick. Looks so comfy. Literally just the easiest thing to pair. Could wear this as like a normal everyday tank or obviously as a workout top. That is so cute. Oh, that is so cute. That is so nice. I'm gonna get tan all over this. There's Lorna Jane written along the bottom. It has Lorna Jane written across the top. And this material is so soft. I don't even know how to describe it. So stretchy. I'm fully geeking out. This is incredible. Oh yeah, we got some tights. Oh, they have pockets. Just a pair of plain all black tights with pockets. And then down the bottom, are you kidding? That is so fun. I am short, so I hope that they're an all right length and I don't have to tuck that in, but that is so cool. This waistband is also so thick. That is incredible. Okay, this is the cutest color I've ever seen in my life. This little mesh t-shirt that says never give up all over it. Are you kidding? Little sleeves. It looks like a really good length as well. Like it's not too big, but it's not like super cropped. I love that. I've actually never owned a shirt from Lorna Jane. I've always just invested in good quality Lorna Jane tights. I'm very excited to have some tops in my collection. Are you kidding? That is the best thing ever. I also saw my friend Chloe Bromwich on Instagram wear this all the time and she looked so great in it, and I was like, I cannot wait to get my hands on that. Got a little logo on the back as well. That's so fun. I'm obsessed with this color. Are you kidding me? Under a pink shirt, incredible. I also picked up this white long sleeve crop. Sleeves are ribbed and then the top is just normal t-shirt material. So soft, so light, which is good because it's definitely getting warmer in Queensland at the moment, so a sheer long sleeve is definitely the way to go. I love the little knot that it has at the bottom. I think that's so cute. You are not ready for this next item. Like, you're actually not ready. You're kidding me. This waistband, I am genuinely in so much shock. I wish you could feel how thick and good quality everything feels. Does red make you go faster? This is so cool. I'm so excited to wear these. And then this is the last pair of tights that I got. Looks plain, looks all plain black, and then boom, fun! Cute. You're kidding. And these are the ankle biter length as well. So hopefully I don't have to roll them up like I do with like every single pair of tights that I own. I've been like geeking out this whole time.
That blows my mind.
Geeking out so much that like I don't think I've been showing my emotion properly. Another huge thank you to Lorna Jane for gifting me with these items. I genuinely am just blown away. I'm blown away. I am so appreciative. Thank you so much. Again, I'll have all of the names of everything that I showed you in order down below, along with a link straight to the website and my discount code, which is Georgia20. Okay, I'm actually gonna put one of these outfits on, I think, because I'm gonna go do a boxing class tonight. It is now 8:20 and I really want to be in bed really soon, but I have to cook dinner and I'm not skipping out on myself. I'm not doing that. So I have chicken to cut up and cook, I have rice to cook, I have veggies to cook for dinner tonight and for lunch tomorrow. And I also want to prep my breakfast for tomorrow so that I like have a little bit more time in the morning, because I'm working 7:30 to 5:30 tomorrow, and then I'm coming home, getting changed, and going straight out to dinner to celebrate one of my friends' birthdays. I'm not gonna have a lot of time tomorrow, so I need to make the most of the time I have tonight. So I'm gonna cook up some dinner. I'm gonna try just like have a good time while I do it instead of just like stressing and trying to get to bed. Friends, and happy Friday. I haven't picked up my camera for the last 2 days because I was just too busy working. I genuinely had no time to do anything, so you haven't missed much at all. But it is Friday today and the day of work, and I have a little bit going on, a lot to do. Very excited about it. So it is almost 6 AM, so I'm going to make a quick little glass of pre-workout. I'm going to drink that just before I leave home, because if I drink it on the way to PT, I will always forget to finish it. I'm too busy jamming out to my music to drink my pre-workout, and it's very frustrating. And I needed full benefits this morning because I am exhausted. Can drink my pre-workout, go and do an upper body PT session, and then I'm gonna come home and I have to take Rachel to work because her car is playing up, but I love being Uber Georgia, so I get to spend a little bit more time with her, which I'm not mad about. And then I basically just have a bunch of computer work to do. I need to set a video live today. I need to send a video away for approval for Sunday. I have a lot to do and I am determined to get it done. Also, I took this water bottle with me to work yesterday and I like half filled it with ice and then the rest with water just before I went to a boxing session after work. That is still ice in it after sitting in my room all night. This is the Naked Harvest water bottle. Would recommend. Has a straw and a handle. Ideal. I just finished up my workout. Friday is upper body day. Honestly, it hurts my heart every time. I hate upper body. And I hate it because I'm so weak in my upper body and I just hate feeling weak. But I know that the only way I'm gonna not be weak is by training upper body, you know. You would have seen that we did pull-ups this morning and I suck at pull-ups. Like, I hate pull-ups. I haven't done them enough to be good at them, first of all. I haven't done them for very long, but I do really suck at them. So we had 3 bands and my PT was pushing me. He reckons he wasn't pushing me very hard, but I physically feel like he was doing like all the work. I was trying really hard, but I just feel like if he wasn't there, I literally wouldn't have made it halfway up the pole. So I just want to come on here and say my goal is to be good at pull-ups. And that is all. I hate that the only way I'm going to be good at them is by doing them more. Squats, deadlifts, lunges even, I'll do it, no problem. I mean, there is a little bit of a problem, but like, I just hate upper body so much and I can't express it enough. Anyway, my ass is still in my water bottle. I just took a boomerang of my Apple Watch, so I'm gonna be that person and post it. And it is Friday, so I'm gonna go get Zaraffas and I'm excited about it. I have finally moved from my office. I literally have been editing at my desk all day, which is really good. That's exactly what I had to do. But wow, I literally feel like I've done so much, but so little with my day, if that makes sense. Like, I worked out and I got a full video edited and it's uploading right now, but also I feel like I haven't moved and like, just, I don't know. Anyway, I'm back in the car because I'm going to pick up Rachel from work. I think we're going to get a coffee on the way home and then we're just going to hang out this afternoon. You guys know 2 of our closest friends, Beck and Cody. It is Cody's 21st birthday tonight and we're so excited. Get to go have dinner and celebrate with him and his friends and family. So yeah, that's the plan for the rest of the day. And I'm gonna crank some tunes and drive and be Uber Georgia. Love that for me. Uber for Rachel. Hello! It has been a little while since I last spoke to you, but Rachel and I just got ready and we're about to head out to Cody's 21st dinner. I'm filming in the office because my room is an absolute mess from trying to put an outfit together. But this is the outfit we have gone with. This little white top is from Princess Polly. This denim skirt is from Supre ages ago. And these heels are from Spenless Shoes, I believe. I put on a quick instant tan, curled my hair, done my makeup, and we're ready to go. Ready to celebrate our main man. It is 11 PM and I'm just about to hop into bed. But I had such a good night celebrating Cody's birthday. So many things went wrong. Like, Beck and Cody truly had such an unlucky afternoon and evening. But I hope Cody still enjoyed himself. I'm gonna close my blinds so I can have a little bit of a sleep in tomorrow. I have a couple of things planned for tomorrow, but nothing crazy. Just a pretty chill weekend, I think. Good morning, friends, and happy Saturday. It is 8:30 AM. I had a pretty big sleep in this morning, which was really nice, but I've just gotten all dressed. I'll quickly show you my outfit before I go. The office has a little bit better lighting, but I have this little Gymshark singlet on. I love this so much. It is so comfy and honestly just so flattering. Like, the way it fits me is my favorite. I have on a pretty full coverage Gymshark sports bra underneath. I have on these tights from Lorna Jane. They have a pocket, first of all, incredible, and then they have little checkers down the bottom around the ankles. That is the cutest thing ever. And then I just have on my black low top Converse. I made the official decision that I'm just going to live in activewear for the rest of my life. Because why would you want to wear anything else? Thank you for listening to my TED talk. Anyway, it is 8:30. I'm going to head to my parents' house. I think I'm going to pick them up a coffee on the way. I genuinely think my love language is giving people coffee. Not physical touch, not acts of service, not quality time, literally giving people coffee. That's how I love to show my love. And my dad and I are actually going to go buy a new washing machine this morning. I'm not sure if I talked about it, but Rachel and I's washing washing machine, cocked it last week. Rachel bought it secondhand for super cheap like 3 years ago, and I'm honestly surprised it lasted us this long, but it's finally said its farewell and I'm off to buy a brand new one, and I'm kind of excited. Not excited to drop like hundreds of dollars on a washing machine, but excited to have a brand new washing machine that like does a good job, cleans my clothes really well. In case anyone was wondering what 22 looks like, this is what being 22 looks like. I'm gonna go have a wild crazy Saturday and bring you along for the ride, obviously.